Hey, how's everybody doing today? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I am here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida, and I am back at the car museum, which is called the Collection on Palmetto Foundation. Probably be opening in about a month or two. So the owner got contacted, and it's a Great Gadsby event at a arts hall on Friday night. So today's Tuesday morning, and he said, why don't you come on over and look at these two cars that we want to just put for display purposes the night of the event. It could be raining, we really don't know. So I came by kind of zeroing in. There's some smudge marks. There's a little, this car was actually driven lightly. So it's got just a little bit of dirt on it. I'm hoping the water spots are not really etched in, or that's going to require more than I'm going to be able to accomplish today. So there'll be a second part, but this is just a beautiful vehicle. It is a 1927 Pierce Arrow, and this is the model, I've got that backwards. This is the 1913 Pierce Arrow model 48. I'll take you for a quick walk around that car. This is the 1927 Pierce Arrow model 36. So anyway, I've got my kind of setup going on. This is going to be an O&R Rensless. This is my workspace today. Give you a little overview. Yeah, that car. And then there's just a whole bunch of cars down in the collection, and I maintain all of these. They're been in the process. Some of them are under restoration. Some of them have a ways to go. Some of them are already there. Some of them, like this 1913 Stanley, absolutely pristine. I actually did a washless rinse on that car in his garage at another location. So here's the 1927, beautiful. I've got some things to deal with it's been moved, it's been pushed around. A lot of times when these cars are moved, they don't actually start them. Just guys grab tires and roll it, and it's moved around. It's a little bit dark here, right? Anyway, this is today's project. I'm happy to be doing it. I have every intention of coming back on in 2 days. We've got some light, just dust buildup. This car is, has been repainted. This is not original 1913 paint, but it was done quite a while ago. And through improper wash technique, I came with the inspection light, and there's various scratches and flaws within the paint. So that's not being addressed today. That's for another day. Today, basically, clean and shiny. They're going to be in public display. We don't know what the weather's going to be like, but it's pretty much going to be out there no matter what, even if there's rain in the forecast and stuff. So we're not exactly, getting this ready for a car show. We just want them clean and shiny. That's what the owner wants. That's what he's going to get. I'm going to do a light touch up in the interiors, and away we go. So I'm getting paid to work. If you like stuff like this, seeing what I'm working on, give me a thumbs up. Some of these videos are, marketing. Some of them are how-to. I do reviews. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell. Get the notifications. I actually have a lot of videos that are in the hopper, so to speak, right now, so that I'll be coming out with some really cool stuff. I've got some long-term projects that I'm working on that are all in my rendering computer in the office. So I've got a lot of stuff, and share this if you know somebody that likes to see classic cars. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for taking a view of my channel. And please share if you if you care. All right, thanks. Bye.